Hi, this is Aaron with Traveling Flamingo, and today we're in Blue Mountain again, but we're going to be giving you a tour of the Westin Trillium Inn, which is a Marriott hotel on the property of Blue Mountain. We're going to give you a tour of the room, tell you what we think, tell you if it's a place that you should stay on your next trip to Blue Mountain. All that coming right up. So we're at Blue Mountain, which is in Blue Mountain, Ontario, Canada. This is a little bit north of Toronto, and it's kind of a little ski resort area. We're here in the fall, but it's a nice little area where you can have a bunch of different restaurants and shops. It's kind of like a Whistler Village type of thing, but smaller. This is the second hotel that we have reviewed here at Blue Mountain. If you are interested in the other one, we did the Blue Mountain Inn, which is the original hotel and arguably the older one. So we will definitely post that video for you to see if you're interested. So I'll hand it over to Aaron from the past to tell you what the room looks like when we were there originally, and then we are going to talk about what we thought overall about the room, having stayed there for the length of our stay. So stay tuned. I'm going to pass it over to me from the past. Today we're still in Blue Mountain. We are at the Westin Blue Mountain, and we're going to give you a tour of the room. Let me show you where you are. This room does have a map. So this is what the building looks like. And we are up here. One of the smaller rooms, no balcony. Some do have balconies. So with that, let me show you the place. So when you walk in, you'll be greeted with this. On your right will be the washroom. So let's take a look in here. So you will have sink, bunch of extra towels, pretty big mirror, and continuing on, you'll have the toilet and a bath shower combo. It does have a rain head and one of the wand type of shower bits, as well as a tub. Looking back, you can see the vanity, as well as a makeup mirror on the wall. And there should be a hairdryer somewhere. I'll have to find that. Over here you have the Westin branded soaps, the conditioner and so forth, face towels and cloths. You also do have a power outlet on the wall. Exiting this area, there is a kitchenette. So as you can see here, you have a microwave, sink, coffee maker, and it is Starbucks branded coffee, a cutting board, some additional teas. Down underneath the sink, you'll get some soap and some garbage bags. There's also a fridge freezer combo. So that's very nice. And then above, you have some plates, wine glasses, corkscrew, mugs, and cutlery. Continuing on from there, up above, you have a toaster, as well as a kettle, which is nice. I always enjoy the kettle. And then down from there, you have your microwave. And then you walk into the main area. So you have a little seating area over here on the left. Oh, I almost forgot to show you the closet as well. Let me just go back and do that. There is a closet. Not too much space. You do have an iron. You have a safe. You have an ironing board back here. And a mystery dial and a mystery switch. So continuing on again to the bedroom. Bed is on the right. These this has the old Apple connector. As you can see, there is power outlets on either side of the light as well, which is quite nice. And you do have reading lights above the bed. On your left, you have a little seating area, not much storage, so our bags are here, so sorry for that. I had no additional space. You do have a few pullouts here. So you got your phone, again, outlets on both sides of the light. You've got a little bit of storage here. This is a pull-out couch, so you can seat more, I guess, sleep more people. You do have another light at this end table, again with a power outlet on the top, which is great. A little extra chair here. Then you have your TV. Pretty big TV. Down here, you have a DVD player, which I don't think does Blu-ray. Nope, just DVD. And then you have some drawers for your clothes. So not huge on storage for your clothing, but they do have a fireplace, which is nice, and you can turn that on with this button on the wall. And then looking back quickly to the room, here's what the room looks like. Now maybe one of the nicer parts of this room is the view. So you can see the village out here. Well, this is Blue Mountain Village. That's got a very nice view of the village area. Now you do get pretty up close and personal with your neighbors if they're out on the deck. But all around, all in all, quite nice room. Show you one more view back. There you have it. That is the rooms at the Westin. Seem very nice and clean, more modern than some of the other rooms you have here. There is still some damage. We'll show you those areas, I'm sure, after. But I will pass it to Aaron in the future to tell you what we thought of the room and what we think about staying here. So overall, we really did enjoy our stay here. The room sizes were great, especially if you're active or you've got equipment that you're going to have with you. The size of the room's pretty good, so you can definitely store a bunch of stuff in there with you. The view from the room was also really good. So we had a view that went over Blue Mountain Village. It doesn't have a balcony. Our room didn't have a balcony. It had one of those sort of faux balconies that you open up the sliding door and you're right there. But that was lovely. We really enjoyed it. Right, as you saw, right next to that balcony was the fireplace, so you could kind of stand out there in the cold weather and still have heat if you wanted to do that. So, and if you are on the other side, you would just have a view of the mountain, which is kind of nice as well. So you're not really going to get a bad view from anywhere in this hotel. The room felt very clean, so good props to the cleaning staff and to housekeeping, who definitely keep an eye on that for those rooms. The nice kitchenette was good too. It wasn't quite a full kitchen or anything, but you had enough there that you were able to make some breakfast if you wanted to. The location, again, really just enjoyed that view of Blue Mountain Village. I took some photos and stuff, so I'll put a link to the 500 Pixels album for the photos that I took there if you're at all interested in that. And the beds were incredibly comfortable. I know Westin is kind of known for their beds, but again, very comfortable. And there was no real room noise, so it wasn't a very noisy room. And they were well insulated, so we didn't hear people kind of going up and down the hallways. Now, this was during COVID, so there probably weren't as many people in the hotel. But again, we didn't hear neighbors, we didn't hear people in the hallway. So overall, we really enjoyed it. There were not very many negatives for this hotel. It's a little bit pricier, but depending on when you're going, that'll definitely change. And it is a little bit of a walk to Blue Mountain Village. It's about a 5-minute walk room to Blue Mountain Village, so it's not particularly far, but do be aware that if there's mobility issues or anything, you will have a little bit of a walk. So you're not right in the village. There are hotel rooms that are above the village. We will do a review of those later as well. However, yeah, we definitely enjoyed it. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope if you do consider going to Blue Mountain, you think of either staying here or Blue Mountain Inn. We do have a video of the Blue Mountain Inn again, so we'll post a link to that. And that's all for now. Happy travels.